Ojosa Bakulo, Gamala no go bongo, Ogo bongo, Ogo bongo. Onye ne joko, mata no go bongo, Ogo bongo, Ogo bongo. When you fighting for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue you, they will turn their back at you. When you get bruises for the people who don't care, they will pretend like they don't know what is going on.
Do you remember him?
I tell you, say, if I dey show you where they follow my, if not be how I take here that my way carry car. This move.
If you move an inch, your head will be on the floor. If you move an inch, I swear your head will roll on the. I said, don't move. If you move an inch, your head will roll on the ground. Good afternoon, sir. Who amongst you touched my girl? If you put your hand, you are calling for four slaps. Who amongst you touched my girl's bum bum? Who?
How? When? Which day?
Come here, sit down here.
I'm an orphan.
Who gives a fuck? Carry that thing. You will be here for 7 days. Kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. Come here. Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes. You'll be here for 7 days. Hey.
I don't know what is bum bum. Sorry.
Stay like that.
Okay.
I said, I will stab you. Stay like that. I said, stay like that. I said, kneel down, hands up. Kneel down, put your head.
Yes! Is it not Jeku? That stupid boy that beat us because of his girlfriend, Abi?
Yes. Exactly.
Yes, you see. So, what are you thinking now?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking? I trust you, bro.
My brothers, how far now? My eyes! My eyes!
Another one sustained from fighting for the people you love.
I know my uncle is disappointed in me. But I have to do what I have to do.
I understand, but look at where it has gotten you today.
I am not proud of my situation, but at the same time, I do not regret my action. Yes. If I have the third chance, I will still fight for my friends and my loved ones. I can't stand people cheating people or intimidating people, be you who.
You are a good man, right from school days. But being too good to a fault is a crime one commits against oneself. Jacob.
I know there are things you can't change.
We can change everything. But that can only happen when we change our mentality and our reasoning. Jacob, I feel really bad about your condition right now. It's okay. It is not the end of the world. Jacob, I want you to understand something. If you can start to see life beyond the usual, you will change being who you are.
I am unchangeable. And that's why God is God. He kept people's thoughts away from us. Please, I want to ask you a simple question, and I will appreciate a sincere answer.
Okay, I'm listening.
Jane,
Yes.
will I ever see with my 2 eyes again?
No, it cannot see again. I'm sorry, sir.
No. Hi! Chimo! Hi. What has Jeku done to himself?
So, he needs someone who would always assist him. If possible, marry him a good wife who would always be there for him. Please, sir.
If Jeku had listened to me, this wouldn't have been as bad as this.
He told me how good you are and how sorry he feels for disappointing you. But the deed is done. What has happened has happened. We just need to forge ahead. Please, you need to assist him in any way you can. Please, sir.
Well, Jeku is my son, so there is no way I will abandon him.
Okay.
I
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
It's okay. Everything will be well soon.
And I do well. Jeku I have to everything I do well.
Everything will be well.
Yeah. Oh. Jeku, where are you going, Jeku?
Uncle, good day, sir.
Good day. KELVIN, where are you going?
I need fresh air. Let me just...
Fresh air. In this condition? No, do it.
Uncle, I'm tired of playing one place. I want to work at it. Let me just play the environment. I used to do it before, just that you saw me.
You cannot walk. You cannot see. Yet you want to be moving about, looking for fresh air.
Uncle, but I'm not dead now.
No, Fuebe. Oh, can you stay at a place, please? And the fresh air will come to you.
No, please. I used to do it before now. Just that you saw me today. Let me through the wall.
Hi. Oh. I see the girl of working near you and I have a prayer. You could know Fuebe.
I thought by now you would be at your right senses, knowing too well that your boyfriend is now a blind man.
My boyfriend is still better than your boyfriend. And what is funny?
Your foolishness. I mean, who compares a blind man to a young, handsome bobo?
Oh, God. Who is young and handsome? That thing you call a boyfriend?
At least it's better. He's not a blind man.
Really? Well, I don't blame you both. It is joblessness that is your problem. Yes.
See. If you want to talk, refer to me alone. So if I want to deal with you, I will deal with you personally.
Hey, she may show you mercy, but if I hear my name in that your dirty mouth again, you will not like yourself after I finish dealing with you. Rubbish.
Jobless human beings. Where is your ego? My graduate. Your graduate is not a blind man. Oh.
Please, let's go.
Nyala. Rubbish.
Obi, that sounds like your voice. What is it?
Is it not Chinelo? Chinelo beats me.
Chinelo beats you.
Yes.
What's your crime? Why?
Are you supposed to be asking me that? She just beats me for no just reason. She said that it's a payback for what you did to her. That now you cannot walk, you can do nothing about it.
Chinelo said all that.
Yes, she did. She even called you a dead vegetable. That you're a useless man.
Say no more. Show me the venue. How dare you beat my woman?
And so, what can you do about it? You stupid, blind, crippled public nuisance. You
Obum,
Mommy,
please, tell me the truth. From the depth of your heart. What made you love me? Please, I need to know. Be honest with me, please.
Mommy, at times, even me myself, I ask myself for that kind of question. But I don't even know how to even reply my own self. Eh? The thing Nabakami is here at times. Eh? It's just a difficult question that I keep asking myself and I don't even know an answer to give.
But why? Why?
I don't know. The thing keeps coming and going. Eh? In fact, whenever I think of you, I'll be named Vum. Eh?
Really?
Yes, Mommy. Eh?
So you really love me that much?
Hi, Makachuku. I swear to God. Listen, I have never loved any woman like this before. No, it is not a joke. I am telling you the truth. Eh?
Papa, just stop.
Ochibama.
I'm like, Abba! You must be your sister.
Onye?
Jacob! Wait for me! Abba! Wait for me, please!
Chinelo! Chinelo! Are you okay? Eh? You okay?
What happened? Huh? Talk to me now. What did you say happened now?
But I sound fine.
Yeah, this boy.
Hey, come. Come.
What is come now?
You don't have to fight anybody. Don't go and fight him.
But see what he did to my sister now. Will I just allow him go like that?
I know. Let's just go and treat Chinelo.
Yes,
Let's go and treat her.
But please, listen to Auntie Judith. Don't go making troubles with Jeku again. Just leave him. Leave him to his...
When will this boy stop all this rubbish in this village now?
Baby, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be fighting. You're a big boy. Let's go. Baby, come on, let's go. It's okay.
Mommy, it is because of you.
I know.
It is because of you, Mommy.
I know.
I can't go again.
When you fight for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue you, they will turn their back at you. Yes. When you get bruises for the people who don't care, hey, they will pretend like they don't know what is going on. That time.
Obi.
Nkem?
Obi, how are you?
I'm fine.
It's okay here?
No, it's not yet here.
I thought you told him the doctor said we should come early.
Yes, I did. He actually came, but he forgot something, so he went to get it. Yes.
Please, pack me well first.
Okay.
Are you okay? When you fighting for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue you.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Do you need anything?
No.
You get bruises for the people who don't care. They will pretend like they don't know what is going on.
Obi, why are you not touching me?
I wanted to pick something, but I'm here.
Okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
So, Okechukwu is coming?
Yes. He should be on his way, yeah. You know I love you, right?
I love you.
I love you so much. I love you. You didn't say anything. I just said I love you.
I love you more, baby.
When you fighting for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue.
Chinelo, since you so much care to know, well, I'm not a virgin.
You are not a virgin? And you don't want me to touch you? Why? Why do you say I will not touch you until I get married to you? Why?
Because
I'm not a virgin.
don't trust you enough. Yes.
Chinelo, after all this, why? But I thought you said you love me.
Yes. Without sex. I was clear on that.
But you know love doesn't come with condition. I hope you know that. Huh?
Obina, it's an agreement. It's an agreement.
Chinelo, you are making our relationship look so boring right now. Not only that, you are even making me to look less of a man. I swear. So, allow me to tell you the truth, Chinelo. If you make love with me, I have to go for all that.
Girls, let me help you out. That is what you wanted to say, right? You have to go for other girls. Does it look like I care? If you can't control that in between your legs, then go look for that girl that you want to. I don't care. Excuse me.
Chinelo. Chi baby.
Talk to me, okay?
Baby, The problem is that I really don't know how to tell you this thing. And it has been bothering my mind.
Come on, talk to me anyhow. I will understand. Talk.
Baby,
Yes.
you know I love you so much. In fact, I can do anything for your love. The problem is that now I want us to take this love to another level. Baby, I want to marry you. Yes, I want to marry you. It's just that I don't know how it will sound in your ear.
Okay, do you have money for traditional marriage and white wedding? Do you have the money?
Baby, that is where the problem is. I don't have such money to marry, to do the kind of marriage that will befit you. But baby, it's not a must now. We shouldn't do a big party. We can just do it on a low key.
Okay. You know what, babe?
Mommy.
See, I wouldn't want you to get married the way you are at the moment. I want you to be your own man. That is why I have made a preparation for you to travel with me to the city.
I see. Mommy. Mommy. Hi, Chineke. My Chineke. Jesus. Hi, baby. Thank you very much. Oh.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, babe, I want you to be your own man. So you can make your own decisions. I don't want you to depend on any man at all. That's just what I want.
Baby, it's not as easy as you are talking it. Even me, my own self, I have thought as it. I have thought over it over my own self too. I don't want you to see me as a gold.
You mean gold digger?
Gold digger. Just like other men do, come cream mouth to chop and go. Listen, baby, I don't want to cream mouth. I don't want to chop cream mouth.
See, if it happens, that means it's fate.
No, don't.
See, nothing happens by accident, okay?
This one will not happen. Trust me, Makachuku, I don't want to chop and cream mouth.
It's okay, it's fine.
Hi, mommy. Mommy.
You're so funny.
Hi, Chineke.
Like the way you talk, you don't know.
In fact, in fact, I use because of you to summarize some English.
Oh, you get better.
Hi, mommy. Chineke.
Yes! Yes. Yes. I feel like a fulfilled man right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Because he can no longer see?
Not really. But because of the privilege his being blind would grant us. Babe, now we can do our things freely. We can run our activities freely without him being suspicious.
You're right. Mm-hmm. But to tell you the truth, I really feel sorry for Jeku. Yes, because of his condition. I feel he does not deserve this condition.
Babe, he deserves more. Babe, Jeku deserves more. Jeku is a very wicked guy. You don't know Jeku. He thinks he owns the world. He's always feeling on top of the world, like the world revolves around him. He deserves more, my dear.
Well, I love you. I love you so much. But
what?
Jeku is a good man.
I'm a good man too, babe. I'm a good man too, and you know that. Look, I know you love me. And I love you too. That's all that matters. I don't care whatever anyone thinks. The most important thing to me right now is our love. And I'll keep celebrating our love every day of my life. Hmm? Let me whisper something.
Stop it, you!
Nothing you.
Stop!
Nothing you. Nothing you.
You're crazy.
I know, because I love you. Your love drives me crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
How far?
I'm crazily in love, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Who are you?
It's me,
You who?
Dr. Jane.
Hey, the doc. How are you?
I am fine.
You're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you. I can see you're busy.
Yes, I'm trying to keep myself busy. You know, as someone who is naturally stubborn and radical in nature, staying in one place is just like I'm in prison.
Where are your friends?
They are busy.
I am not running away now. Listen, I understand how you feel. I know it's not easy, only you staying in the house. But don't worry. Me and my mommy, we are making arrangements. Very soon we will come and carry you away from this village. Be busy now. Mommy, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. You take care of my brother.
Come on, it's fine. I'll take care of him. You see, we have to start going to avoid traffic on the road. But like your brother said, very soon we will come pick you from this village. Okay? But you need to stay out of trouble. Promise me that.
Promise.
Secondly, the money I gave to you, make sure you manage it
Huh?
well. Okay?
Mommy. Mommy, so you gave her money and you returned them.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Mommy, I want to thank you for the Christmas shirt.
It's okay, you're always
It's
very
fine.
funny. Let's go, put your bag in the trunk,
Huh? No, I will carry it on my waist.
No problem.
Hey, Gigi.
Auntie Judy, please drive to. Oh, I will. I will.
No? Mommy. Hey!
Auntie Judy, bye-bye.
Hey, wait.
Bye-bye.
I don't want to believe it's true.
Mama, you don't want to believe what is true.
Okay. Tell me the truth. Are you sleeping with Obiageli?
Ha! Ha! Mama, where is such question coming from now? Where?
But the rumor is everywhere in this village. Even your sister confirmed it. I've also seen the signal. Okay, Chukwu, I want you to know that what you are committing is a taboo against God. Even the devil will never forgive you for such betrayal.
Mama, the signal you thought you saw is a very, very wrong signal. One. You said it that Obioma, my sister, confirmed it. Mama, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Have you not noticed that Obioma is sick? Eh? The way Obioma has been acting lately, does she sound or look normal to you? Mama, Obioma is sick. Look, Mama, I am not sleeping with anyone. Oh. I am not sleeping with Obiageli. I am not sleeping with anyone, Mama. Where's all this coming from now?
Okay, why are you both seen everywhere, even in the bushes, instead of you to help your best friend that you caused his misery?
Hey, Mama, please. Mama, please. I want you to stop saying that. I did not cause anyone's misery. Mama, please stop saying that. Now, the bushes and the corner you're talking about, they are still in this village. The girl in question, Obiageli, is Jeku's girlfriend. Are you there, Mama? But let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a foolish man a foolish man. Jeku is a foolish man. Yes, he's a foolish man. You understand? And he's responsible for his own predicament because of his misplaced priority. Mama, I want to ask you a question. Tell yourself the truth. Did I invite Jeku to come and fight for me?
Okay, Chukwu, are you the one saying it?
Yes, I'm the one saying it, Mama. And I wish to speak no further on this topic. Please, I need to rest.
Oh my God. Why is human this mean and wicked? Okay, Chukwu, you are wicked. You are very wicked. Oh my God. Hey! What do you? How can he be this wicked to his best friend, his own best friend that fought for him?
What is it? Allow me to pass now. What is it?
Pass to where? Pass to committing fornication with the best friend of your fiancé who went blind for the both of you. Obi, if you don't have shame, borrow conscience.
Obioma, I am not the cause of your frustration, so just leave me alone. Hey, I am not done with you. You see you, Obi, you will suffer. You will weep. You will suffer for the rest of your life. You're going to regret it. What you did to the heart that loves you, your children will do it to you in double folds. It is you and your generations that will suffer. Yes, your children will suffer. Your generation will suffer. All your causes are returning back to you. Onya Allah. Hey! Did you just touch me?
Yes, I touched you.
Did you just...
They left this morning.
So you'll be in this house alone?
I don't even want to believe it myself. But I just have to accept, because their trip is of a good one.
I don't know why I feel bad. Maybe jealousy.
Jealousy. Jealous over what?
Oh, I never told you, but I'm marrying your brother for a long time now. I won't tell them, but if it happens, he wanted someone else.
Dad, now you want to make me tear up. You never told me. I didn't know.
It's of no use. I don't want to force him to love me out of pity, but I'm happy he followed his heart.
Ada, don't worry. Your own man will come. A man who will truly love you worship you, and adore you. And that man is coming very soon.
It's okay. So how long do you intend staying in this village alone?
That. I don't know. But he promised to come for me soon.
Do you not leave me in this village?
So I won't, you know that. Even before then, good news will happen.
Okay. So what about Obi now?
It's like you want to change my mood. Please.
Now, Joke, one. Ask no about what you also go on mine. At the end of the day, what can you boast of? Tell me the truth. Are you really getting what you deserve from them? Those of your friends?
Honestly speaking, Uncle, no.
I know.
As a matter of fact, I am disappointed in them.
I told you from the very beginning. N'ihe okenye na wee fụ na nwatakịrị ghara go n'elu ọjị na ọya ha afọ ya. What an elder sees while sitting down. A child will climb to the top of an iroko tree and will never see it. Ọya afọ ya. But you thought I was deceiving you. You doubted me. You said I was wrong, that you were right. See what life has taught you.
Let's just say they are busy. I believe they will still turn up.
Okay, how are they busy? They are busy. Benke, how do you busy? Nalo. I don't have busy. One can receive without being busy. Now pay. You are telling me the person is busy. Anyway, that is by the way. Let me tell you the truth. The plain truth is that you do not expect much from people. In this condition, in this your trial period, don't expect much from people at all. Because you'll be disappointed. The best you do is, whatever you get from anybody, see it as favor. So that your life will be long. If you place hope on people, you get this from this person, you get this from this person, you'll be so disappointed and the person's life will be short, not yours. Please.
Thank you very much. I will hold on to this piece of advice for the rest of my life.
Yes. I'm happy you know that. Actually, I am not to blame you. I'm not blaming you. It's this advice I am giving. I'm happy you are taking the advice.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Calm down now, Chi baby. Calm down now. You have not been responding to me for the past few days. What have I done to you?
Obina, have you really resolved what you really want?
But you and I know all I want is you.
Huh? Obina, what you want is a woman to have carnal knowledge of dump off another woman. And trust me, that woman is not me. So check elsewhere.
Sorry, Chino, I can't do that to you. You know. Okay, sorry. If that is the problem, I will not ask for it again. I promise. Okay? Anything you want, I will do it.
Well, this is not a decision to make at a spot. So go home and think about it very well. Excuse me.
But, Chinelo! Chi! Chi!
juggle, matter not to bomb. I'll go bomb. I'll go bomb. When you fighting for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue you, they will turn their back at you. When you get bruises for the people who don't care.
Who is that? Why are you hitting me? Stop. Stop. Who are you and why are you hitting me? Help! Help! I can't see. Please help. Please help, I can't see. Help.
Ada,
Help.
don't you think he needs help? Let's help
Please,
him.
let's go to our business, Joe.
Ada, stop now. Let's help him. We can't leave him helpless.
Help who? This food I cannot differentiate A from B. Please, if you want to,
Ada, I know, but let's just help him. Please.
Help.
I
Please
can't.
now.
If you want to help him, you can go. I'm here.
Help.
Why did you come back? Life has been so better without you and Effie. Sister, I cannot say the same for me. Life has been so miserable without you. As expected. I know that I have sinned so much that your forgiveness may be impossible. But I need liberation, sister. Am I holding your salvation? Am I? Sister, please. Your forgiveness is all I want. I know I am not worthy to kneel before you. But please, sister, forgive me. Sister, please. Forgive me, please. Forgive me. Please. You're all I have. I forgive you. hold anything against you. I'm so happy. So happy and blessed to find that the man I was planning my future with ended up disappointing me with my younger sister. What an insult and a big slap on my face. What a life. I forgive you. Sister, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now I can go and enjoy peace and rest of mind. Thank you, sister. Purity!
You say your leg hurts, right?
Yes, but I can feel.
Alright, I'll sort of that.
Shinelo, I'm not in for this nonsense you are doing, no.
Ada, stop now. Anyway, if you want to go, you can.
I will go. I will definitely go.
Sorry. Look. Look.
Thank you so much.
Chico, it's nothing. My God.
I'm so ashamed of myself. After all I did, there you are, helping me in my trials.
Chico, I understand you and why you did everything you did to me. It's only unfortunate that those that made you accumulate so much enemies are not what you think they are.
Why do you say so?
Because they are the ones betraying you now. Sorry.
Maybe they are busy. Very soon, I believe they will turn.
If I'm not talking in their presence.
What then are you talking about?
Chimo! Okay, Chuku. So it is true. Eh?
Good
afternoon. Afternoon now, Bwoga. Yeah, Bwogi. How can you be this evil and wicked? How can you be this wicked?
Mama, I don't understand what you're talking about.
May God punish that lying mouth of yours. And you shameless obey. Is this how you want to pay back a man that laid down his life for you? Eh? Both of you are ingrates. And you brought this adulterous act into my compound is the reason God will keep on punishing both of you.
Mama, stop cursing now. Mama, stop cursing me. Remember, I'm your only son.
You are cursed already. It's better I'm left without a son than having a taboo like you as my son. Your best friend is in a very bad condition and you are here sleeping with his wife. Eh?
Mama, I'm nobody's wife. Oh, nobody paid my bride price.
May thunder strike you dead. May thunder strike both of you dead. Your best friend is suffering because of you, and you are here sleeping with his wife. Now get out of here. Leave my compound before I do something that is not good. Leave! Uncultured animals. Leave here! Uncultured animals. Come get out! Get out from here. Look what you want. They were you call out what I should have of me. She like a popuno. She like a popuno. When you call out what I should have been in, she like a buno. That's for good neighbors. I know here. Uncultured animals. An animal is an animal.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, Papa.
Jeku?
Uncle.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where are you heading to?
Papa, I'm taking him to...
Pharmacy to get drugs.
Oh, yes, to get drugs.
Okay, pharmacy to get drugs. All right. Make sure you return early today.
All right, Uncle.
Okay, Papa. Take care.
Okay, I will be at home.
I'm coming.
You're welcome.
Mama. Good afternoon, Mama. How are you? Is your Kechiku in?
No, he went out.
I've not seen him for some days now. I hope all is well with him.
Yes, you should be. Though I've not seen him myself for some days now. How are you, Jeku? And how are you coping?
Mama, I must confess. Life is difficult for me as we speak. But we move regardless.
It's okay, my son. Okay, let me go in and bring food for you people.
No, don't worry, Mama. I have something to attend to. Maybe some other time.
Are you sure you don't want to eat?
I'm fine, next time. My dear, let's go.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Okay, I will tell him that you came.
Okay, Mama.
Be strong, Jeku.
I will not entertain such humiliation again. The next time she will speak to me in such manner, I swear to God I will curse her.
See, babe, don't blame my mother for anything. Huh? Don't blame my mother for anything. Our problem is Jeku. Yes, Jeku is our problem. Because he's giving us more trouble now than when he was able. Think about it. Huh?
Okay, then what do we do?
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. Babe, look. Have a plan. Let's eradicate him.
What? Is he not suffering enough?
Is that one suffer? Eh? Who is suffering? Is that one? Is that what you call suffer? He is not suffering enough, my dear. Because his suffering is making us to suffer. Think about it. Look, I love you so much. I love you so much. I want to marry you. I want to keep you as my wife. But if Jeku is not out of the way, just imagine what people would say. Rumors everywhere flying, wagging tongues everywhere, and those are the things I don't want. I want us, by the time we get married, we live peacefully as husband and wife. Eh? Think about it.
Okay, but do you think this is the best solution?
Best plan ever. Babe, best plan ever. Just trust me.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
Love you too. Love you too. Trust me. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
But you still have to talk to your mother. Why would you be
It's okay.
talking to me like that?
She's your mother-in-law. Just whatever she says, just see her as a mother-in-law. Mother-in-laws are always right. Don't worry.
I am so ashamed to call Oke my son.
Hey, Mama, when I was telling you, you did not believe me.
How could I have believed without saying that Oke could do such thing to his best friend, Jeku? Ah, Jeku, a good and harmless man.
Chai, the news is everywhere. Everybody is aware. I'm so ashamed to call him my brother.
Oke will never step his foot in this house again.
Bam!
He will go and look for somewhere to live before he inflicts us with his curse.
Mama, I support you 100%. Anything we can do to make him pay for his sins, I support you, Mama. Very good.
He will never step his foot here again. I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm so ashamed to call myself his mother.
He needs to pay.
I'm so ashamed of myself. Very, very ashamed.
He's dead. What? How? He died in an accident a week ago. That serves him right. When I heard about the bad news, I began to think what my fate would be in the afterlife if I die without making up to my elder sister. I know if he's not resting in peace, and I don't want to suffer the same fate if I die. God will show you mercy. Ever chasing you. I couldn't bear it. I couldn't bear the pain. I am so sorry. Alright, I forgive you. Okay? I forgive you. You will not die. Tell me what happened to you, my darling sister. It's happy you're back. I'm sorry for ever chasing you. It's okay. What happened to you? Nothing will happen to you. I forgive you.
Ada, you're here. Are you done being an angel to the devil who wanted your head?
But that is in the past. Right now, he's going through a lot.
A lot he brought upon himself.
And that we are no saints before God. But he hasn't killed any of us.
That is why he is God. We are not God.
But he's our mentor and our role model. We're supposed to emulate him in any way we can.
I don't care. That wicked boy. Even if he's in the midst of life and death, I will not help him.
Ada, that speaks so bad of you. Abba. Anyway, let's speak of something else.
I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy with you.
Why?
I was wondering why both of you abandoned me.
Jeku, you know I can never do that. I can never ever abandon you. You are my best friend for life. Look, besides, I'm the one that put you in this condition. So I have no reason whatsoever to abandon you. Just that I've been busy.
That's okay. I was wondering what I did wrong to deserve this.
No, Jeku, no. You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong at all. Please, just forgive. I've been very, very busy lately. But I'll make amends now. I'll always be there for you, please.
It's all good.
I brought some ingredients. Let me go to the kitchen and prepare something for us to eat.
Nice one.
Okay.
Jeku, my man. Sorry, eh? Sorry, everything will be fine. Eh? No, there's no problem. I did not abandon you. God in heaven knows that I did not abandon you. Eh? You are the one that advised me that I should look for something to be doing now. And that's why I've been moving up and down. Eh?
What I'm trying to see, I can die for you.
I'm sorry.
Baby. Chinelo.
Obina, what is it?
There is something I want to ask you.
I'm all ears. What is it?
I heard you have been moving around this village with that stupid blind Jeku. I hope it's not what I'm thinking,
Obina, wait. What are you thinking?
Chinelo, you know I will kill anybody that comes close to you. Be it blind man or crippled man, I don't care. Believe me, because... okay now.
Obina, do you know you're very, very stupid?
Me?
Yes. You're just a confused being with misplaced priority. Better go fix yourself. Look for what to do and stop roaming around this village constituting nuisance. Rubbish.
Chinelo! Chibaby! Chinelo called me misplaced priority because of that stupid idiot Jeku. Me, misplaced priority. Okay, no problem. Me, Obina, misplaced priority.
This food is very sweet, too. Very, very sweet.
I can perceive the aroma from here.
I swear, eh? Your wife tried, though. She really tried.
I can't wait to have mine.
On the way.
Yes, I'm here.
Baby.
Yes, my darling.
Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Okay.
The food is very tasty. No, Jeku must see this food. It's too sweet.
Okay, we can eat now.
Jeku, eat. The food is very, very sweet.
Very sweet, yes.
Hey! Jeku!
Where is the food? Did I mistakenly...
You threw the food away!
Sorry about that.
Help him. It wasn't intentional.
I felt something on my feet. Is that the food?
Go and get him something else to eat now.
Do you still want to eat? No. Let me not stress you. Maybe later.
What is the meaning of this?
I don't want your cause to inflict this house. In fact, I don't want to see you in this house again.
No, Mama, what are you saying now? What is all this you are saying, Mama? This is my father's house.
And this is my husband's house.
Look, Mama, it's too early for all this, please. It's too early for all this. I don't want to have issues with you.
And I want to have issues with you. Then push me. Or you beat me and enter, let me see.
Mama, I don't like this. Oh. Mama, please don't push me. I don't like this. Okay, but tell Mama.
Please, don't even call my name. You evil, heartless, and wicked man.
Obioma.
What is it?
Me, wicked man.
Of course you heard me. You are wicked.
Oh. Now I understand. Planned work. This is a setup. Oh, that's good. Obioma, me wicked. Mama, I shouldn't enter my own father's house. No problem. No problem.
Please carry your cursed leg and get out from here.
See, I want to tell both of you something. You will see what I will become in the future.
Nothing.
You will see what I will become in the future. I should not enter my own father's house. You open your mouth to call me a wicked man. No problem, we shall see.
Get out!
No, we shall see, no problem.
Get out, uncultured animal.
No problem, we shall see.
Get out! Get out, uncultured animal. Get out. I'm on one kaya, nonsense. Come in, let me see. I'm not here.
Just imagine the nonsense. Imagine the rubbish. Look at what that idiot has caused. Look at it now. Right now, I feel like strangling him with my hands. If I get hold of him, I will strangle him to death. What is all this?
Please calm down, calm down. Please. The thing now is, what are we going to do? Where are you going to sleep?
Babe, I don't know. I don't have an idea what is happening. I'm confused right now. I don't know where to go to. I don't know where to sleep. Look at all this now. Look at it now. My mom said she doesn't want to see me again. She chased me out of the house. Now she never wants to see me again in the house.
It's okay, my love. It's okay. My mom traveled for a week. I'm just left with my younger brother. Maybe you can come join us for a week while you figure out your next plan. How about that?
It's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. But the truth is that I'm not happy with the whole situation. What is all this now? What is all this?
I know, my love.
It's just that sleeping at your place now would give me the opportunity to sleep and wake up with my love. That's it.
I understand, but at the same time, I know what's going through your mind.
What is going through my mind?
You know.
You are too naughty.
You know.
Not
you know.
Naughty.
You know.
Let's go home so that you can console me, please. I need to be consoled right now.
Guess what? I bought juice for you. Touch it. Just touch it. I know you love it. Okay, let me give you some. Okay. Okay, take it.
My love, that reminds me. I have a gala in my room. Please help me with it. You know, gala and juice goes well together.
Okay, let me get it. But you can be drinking it. Oh? Okay. I don't know what's wrong with that wizard. I don't understand him.
Are you sure he drank it?
Yes, I am very sure. He drank it.
And he didn't die?
He did not die. I was watching him. He did not die.
He must die, yo. He has to die now. For what? He has to die. Maybe it's not, it wasn't yet time for the poison to work. But my spirit is telling me that he's dead by now. He should be dead by now. Yes, and I don't doubt my spirit. My spirit tells me the right thing. He should be dead by now. I'm very, very sure. I'm sure.
So, what do we do now?
We'll go and check on him. Yes, let's go to his place and check on him to be very, very sure. Let's go there now.
Okay.
He has to die now. Let's go.
With this your blindness, you see what you want me to kill you? I will use my hand to kill you today. Deku! Ah! You're not even afraid. Despite your blindness, you want me to kill you? Eh? Okay, let me warn you. If I ever see you go close to Chinelo again, I will make you a dead man of myself. With this your blindness, I will kill you. Try it again. Idiot! See Deku? That is stupid Deku. Eh? Okay, let me ask you. Have I ever come close to your dead friend? Okay, try it again. He'll be a dead man. Look at this stupid blind man, idiot. Try it again. My own Chinelo. Okay, now.
Ogujiago. Madabiwo. Ogujiago. Madabiwo. Hi. You mean he asked you to leave because of me?
Don't worry. I'll take care of it. I'm just sad that you're going through all this because of me. Don't worry.
Take care of me. Thank you very much. I will be fine.
Sorry. Don't worry, this won't repeat itself again, okay? I promise you.
Thank you.
Okay. Just wait till you get better.
Chinelo. Baby.
Is that even enough reason for you to conceive such thoughts even?
Yes. You see that stupid Jeku, that stupid guy deserves it.
You know what? It's over between us. You don't deserve me. I don't want to ever see you an inch close to me again.
Baby, see, you can't end our relationship because of that stupid blind Jeku. Why now? Eh?
Really? Now listen to me. I do not want to ever see you again. Any day you try come close to me, I will tell my brother Obum to arrest you with SARS. You will see. Just try it.
Chinelo, this is not nice. You cannot end our relationship because of that stupid idiot blind Jeku. Why?
Try me and see.
Chinelo, baby.
Jacob, you like the food?
It's tasty.
Very, very tasty. I'm enjoying my own too. Yes, I'm enjoying my own too.
Is it fried rice or jollof rice?
It's fried rice.
Fried rice. Fried rice. Only
Your
fried.
favorite.
I'm enjoying my own too.
Let me feed you.
That's your job. You should be feeding him. Make sure the spoon is full. Oh.
Yes, it is.
Oh my man.
Are you okay? Sorry.
Give him water.
You need
Instead
water?
of saying sorry, give him water.
He doesn't need water.
It doesn't need water.
Okay. Open your mouth.
That's what you should have been doing, sis.
Sorry.
It's water. It's water. Give him water. He needs
Sorry.
water.
You need water?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Okay.
I'm enjoying my own too.
Hope you're okay.
There's still food there now. I'll give my man food. What do you mean by hope
Sorry,
it's okay?
sorry.
Give him more food. Give him chicken. Let him bite his chicken. Jeku, she served you chicken.
Sorry. Just calm down. Sorry. Should I give you water? Sorry.
My chest.
What's wrong with you?
It's like something is blocking my chest.
Give him water now. It's water. It's water.
You need water.
Is it not water?
No.
Go and get water.
He said it's not water. He doesn't want water.
My chest.
Calm down. Just calm down. You'll be fine.
My chest.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Calm down. Calm down. Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Papa!
What?
Papa, come!
What is it? Jagu?
I don't know. He was just eating. The next thing he started coughing.
Yes, he started coughing.
Yes.
Okay. What is it? Your chest. Somebody help!
Should I just give you water? What do we do now, Papa? What do we do?
Wait. Sorry. Again.
Something is blocking my chest.
What is going on?
Your chest.
What is it? I don't know. He was just eating and the next thing he started coughing. Oh my God! Jacob!
Yes.
Let's take it. Yes. To the hospital. Just be careful.
Easy.
Sorry. You'll be fine. Sorry.
Jeku, sorry. He was just eating, Then all of a sudden he started coughing,
Sorry. It's okay. You check for the
Jeku, sorry.
Sorry. I'll come later. Eh? Hey, sorry.
Jeku, sorry.
Sorry. Hey, just be careful. Be careful.
Sorry.
Who invited that one? Eh? What are we going to do now?
This boy doesn't want to die.
I don't know.
Jeku, die. Jeku, die.
I don't know. He would have died if not for that doctor. What are we going to do now? Talk now. What are we going to do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. You see, if we attempt doing anything again, it will become too suspicious because as it is right now, people are raising eyebrows. I can feel it. Jeku.
This is so sad. It's so sad.
You've
succeeded already.
I'll be going to the city. Yes, I'll be going to the city in 2 days' time.
To do what?
See, there's this thing I've been working on that needs my attention in the city. So I have to go and attend to it immediately.
Wait, just hold it there. Okay, you want to go to the city and leave me in this village?
No,
I don't understand.
I'm not leaving you in the village. There's this thing I've been working on in the city that needs my attention. So I want to go and attend to it. Doesn't mean I've started living in the city. I will go there and I will come back for you. And by the time I'm coming back, it's for our marriage and every other thing I need to do, tradition.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You come back for me?
Of course, anytime, any day, I'll come back for you. Why you come on?
I just want
come
to be
here,
sure.
come here. Huh?
I love you.
I love you more. No, don't worry. I'll come back for you. Okay? Yes. So go and lock the door in case when they come back. Go and lock the door.
Oh, Biachidero! What are you still doing inside now, Biakaigawan? Ha!
Come on, why? You think driving from here to Lagos, you think it's an easy journey? Also, let us go. But I told you not to carry that bag now. We'll buy you, we have enough growth for you.
But at this particular bag, there is something inside I want to take. I know Sister Judith will still buy me clothes, but this one I will take it to the city.
No, boom, drive safely.
Hey, Adam, my friend.
Yeah, I will leave you behind though. Hey!
Take care of yourself, oh.
You can say that again. You can say that again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who owns this car?
You know what, baby? Obi, you know what? We have a lot to talk about, okay? So this is what we're going to do, huh? We'll look for somewhere very cozy, have a drink, and discuss.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now hop in.
Okay.
Hop in, baby.
Hey, okay, I've missed you. I've missed you.
It's okay, man. It's okay.
What happened to Jeku and what is still happening to him now is a very big case study to study university. A big lesson.
What kind of lessons are you talking about?
Obinna, your best friend will still be the one that will go at the back sending text messages to your girlfriend. I got the worst beating of my life because I wanted to stop Oke from sleeping with Obi, Jeku's girlfriend. Yeah? Now Jeku is blind. They are planning marriage. What a word.
Obika, let me tell you, what happened to Jeku serves him right. Yes, because in his next world, he will know better. Even this world is over for him, he knows. So I don't even care about Jeku or anything. Please, I beg.
See, I know say friend can betray friend. But in this point, this particular one now is very big. I have not seen it before. Where is Oke's conscience? The conscience that God gave to Oke, where is it? Eh? Look at Jeku's predicament. Oke is supposed to be more caring to him. But things became worse. Huh?
Let me tell you, trust nobody. Laugh with many, but don't trust any. Simple. I don't want to talk about that evil. See, don't tell me about Jeku again.
It's okay. What about that your girlfriend? I hear say she don't jump out.
See, Chinelo people don't carry Chinelo travel. So I beg, I don't.
Come now, Obi. Now you the flow woman up and down. No, you can't leave me there, waka. Obi, lover boy.
Yes, of course. Yes, I understand. Okay, you know what? Transfer the 16 million into my account. Then when they come with the cash later, the 1 million cash they're bringing later, you guys should use it for weekend. Share it for the guys. Just for the weekend, no problem. Money is not the problem. Okay, I'll see you guys when I come back, eh? Safe, eh?
Okay, Chuku. I saw a car and I've been waiting for you.
You have been waiting for me?
Yes.
I can't remember giving you an appointment. Papugo, what is it? How may I help you?
Oh, you want to know how you can help me?
Yes, how can I help you?
You are the one asking me how you may help me.
How may I help you, Papugo? I can't remember giving you an appointment.
Oh, you are asking how you may help me?
Yes.
You.
Yes.
You are okay, Chuku. Hey! This is a wonderful world indeed. Oh, you arrived at this village and you did not bother to check on your bosom friend. Jeku? Jeku, who because of you is passing through hell at the moment.
It's point of correction. No one is passing through anything because of me. God forbid. Listen, whatever it is Jeku is passing through is because of the curse on your lineage. Yes, Papugo. What? There is a big family curse on you people that you don't know. You heard me right. And instead of going out there to find solution to the problem, to the problems of your lineage, the curse on your family for a very long time, you are here playing blame games with me. That okay, whatever his name is, Jeku did this, he did that. Don't try with me again, oh. Please, don't ever tell me such again.
Hey, Okowade.
What did Jeku do for me? Let's even talk about it. What did Jeku do for me? Did Jeku buy this car for me? Tell me. The mansion I own in the city, did Jeku build it for me? The hundreds of millions in my account, did Jeku make the money for me? So what did Jeku do for me? After Jeku did for you, what did Jeku do for me? Tell me. Listen, let me warn you. I'm only respecting you because you're an old man. But when next you try this with me, I will give you a dirty slap. Don't ever see me on the way or anywhere and tell me no. In fact, just wait here. If you don't leave here now, I'll run you over with this car. Wait. Wait, oh, don't.
Hey! What dear? This is a wonderful
world. My son, now that you have made money, maybe you can take your friend Jeku to a specialist hospital to see if there is anything they can do to redeem his sight.
Me? Take that wizard to an hospital?
Please, Jeku is not a wizard. That boy has been of help to this family. Please.
Because that's what they told him to be doing, so that no one would suspect him.
How?
Mama, you are naive. Mama, you don't know what's up. I'll tell you what's up. Mama, have you ever wondered how I made money so quick? When I got to the city, I visited a very strong pastor who told me everything. Jeku, my best friend, tied my destiny. He is the reason I was poor for a very long time, Mama. Yes.
Chimo, I knew something was wrong. Hey! So Jeku is evil.
I'll say that again.
Hey! No wonder Nemesis got up with him.
Mama, you can say that again. And that is why the Bible buttressed the point that there shall be no peace for the wicked. You see, whatever Jeku is going through now, Mama, shall be permanent in his life. That is my prayer for him. Let's talk about something else, Mama. Let's talk about something else.
I heard Okechukwu is back.
Okechukwu is back. He is not just back. Okechukwu returned to this village with so much money. If we go Bata.
Yet he is not talking about him.
Oh. And you will never dream of going to see him either.
Uncle, why now? Okechukwu is my good friend.
Chukwu Jeku. Okechukwu was your good friend, no doubt. Ndị boss nọ na ba wicha ka harbula ogbo. Awe ka harpata ego. He was your friend then. If I open my mouth to tell you what Okechukwu told me, you won't believe it.
What did he say?
Okechukwu looked into my eyes and told me that whatever Jeku is passing through, whatever condition you find yourself in at the moment, is as a result of our family curse.
No. Okechukwu is my friend, a very good friend, my childhood friend. He cannot say such thing about me.
Now, I wasn't the one that formulated the story. I will never lie to you.
Come on, Uncle. Okechukwu can't say such. He can say any other thing, but he will never say such thing about it. He knows how many times I injured myself fighting for him, protecting him. How could he say such thing about it?
We are saying the same thing. How many times you injured yourself, you fought for them, you sacrificed a lot of things, time, energy, stressing yourself for your friends. Now, you are in this condition. And they are all denying you. None of them is coming to your aid. Rather, telling you that it is a result of family cause. Can you imagine that? However, if you hear my own, I want to hear again, listen. Don't ever go to Okechukwu anymore for anything whatsoever for your own interest.
Mama, that was a big fat lie fabricated by Brother Oke just to make Jeku look bad. Jeku's mother. Answer me. How did you know it's a lie? How? Because you and I know that Jeku is not bad and evil. Mama, let's not dance to the tune of lies simply because Brother Oke came back with unexplainable wealth. Mama, wake up!
Shut up. Shut your mouth up! Don't you know a lot is going on in the spiritual realm? Eh? Your brother Okechukwu told me that a powerful man of God told him that.
Hi! Mama, that is a big lie. Nobody told him anything, not even a roadside prophet. Yes, Mama.
So you rather believe a stranger than your own brother?
Mama, I am not supporting anybody. I'm only standing in line of truth. You and I know what the truth is. Mama, why are you pretending because of money? Mama, just because of money. All of a sudden, you are now seeing Jeku as an evil person after everything he did for Brother Oke. Mama, I'm so disappointed at you.
I can see they have brainwashed you. Get out of my face. Get out. Get out! Get out. Fool. Animal. All this. Jeku. What is so special about him?
Ojosa popular Gamala no go Onye me-joku mata no when you fighting for the people who don't care, when it's time to rescue you, they will turn their back at you. When you get bruises for the people who don't care, hey, they will pretend like they don't know what is going on. That time, it's oh, go. I say, no, man, no, no.
But I did come. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Don't worry, it's because of the sand. You're welcome. Mama, see who is here.
Is Mama here?
Yes, Mama is here.
How are you?
Mama, I'm well. Mama, please, what of my friend Okechukwu?
Easy.
Joku, Okechukwu just drove out. Didn't you see him on your way here?
Mama, I'm blind, I can't see.
Oh, Obwezioku. You know, a lot comes with making money. But if he saw you, he would have stopped.
So it's true. I heard he's now made. To God be the glory.
Hallelujah.
Mama, do you know that Okechukwu has not visited me since he returned?
Oh, really? Oh, that is because he has been so busy. You know, Okechukwu made money against his enemy's wish. The people that tied his destiny, they now pretend as if they are happy with him. But we know them one after the other.
Mama, please. You know, due to my condition, I can't be coming out often. Please help me tell my friend, Okechukwu, that I would really appreciate it if he could map out time to come see me.
Nah, I don't think that would be possible. Not at all. You know, wealth comes with so much restriction, especially visiting the poor. So many of them, like you, come here and go home with so much gift. So him coming to see you, I don't think that would be possible. Nah. Makanka ha nwere ike ibu ya aka.
Let's tell him my phone.
Okay. I will tell him if he comes back.
Where is your daughter? Let her help you.
Mbano, bye bye. Come nyere ga ka ba ru nwa nwanye be we no.
Brother Jeku, let me help you. Let me help you.
Tell me nyere ya aka.
Let me help you. Sorry, yeah.
Ona agakwa.
Oh, Mama.
Mama.
Mama, chop no.
Mama.
Mama, chop no.
God is watching you too.
Are you mad?
God is watching you.
Are you mad?
I am not mad. I am not mad.
Be careful.
Otoro. Otoro. Yabade.
Blind man.
I say no man. No, kwara no memo.
Yes.
Jeku. Jeku. Jeku, it's okay. They want to kill, okay?
My own Okechukwu?
Yes, they want to kill him.
Say no more. Show me the venue. Show me the venue. Jeku. 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 Are you okay? Jeku. Are you okay? Jeku, Sorry. No, please, baby.
feeding me. Ah!
On a Sunday, Marika, will end to her to Aja. Yene to handle. Most times, people are willing to sacrifice their lives for what does not want it.
Uncle, what are you trying to say in essence?
What I'm trying to say in essence is that no bad go buron, Obago Hobron, Nanik, Oba, you only book Ancono, Bago Hobron, Nanik, in the book. I am an experienced man, well experienced in life. Yes, there is no way I will deceive you or mislead you. Of course, you know it that I am the only surviving member of your family, our family. And I have no child of my own. So, it places you at the position of the only hope for the entire Udoboros lineage. I won't deceive you. And I wouldn't want you to make a grave mistake.
I said roll on the floor. Oh yeah. Hey, can't be rolling on the floor.
I understand you and why you did everything you did to me. It's only unfortunate that those that made you accumulate so much enemies are not what you think they are.
Why do you say so?
Because they are the ones betraying you now.
Maybe they are busy. Very soon, I believe they will turn.
If I'm not talking in their presence.
What then are you talking about? My brothers, how far now? My eyes! My eyes!
Another one sustained from fighting for the people you love.
I know my uncle is disappointed in me. But I have to do what I have to do.
I understand, but look at where it has gotten you today.
I am not proud of my situation, but at the same time, I do not regret my action. Yes. If I have the third chance, I will still fight for my friends and my loved ones. I can't stand people cheating people or intimidating people, be you who.
You are a good man, right from school days. But being too good to a fault is a crime one commits against oneself, Jacob.
I know there are things you can't change.
We can change everything. But that can only happen when we change our mentality and our reasoning. Jacob, I feel really bad about your condition right now. It's okay. It is not the end of the world. Jeku, I want you to understand something. If you can start to see life beyond the usual, you will change being who you are.
I am unchangeable. And that's why God is God. He kept people's thoughts away from us. Please, I want to ask you a simple question, and I will appreciate a sincere answer.
Okay, I'm listening.
Jane,
Yes.
will I ever see with my 2 eyes again?
Jeku, you know I can never do that. I can never ever abandon you. You are my best friend for life. Look, besides, I'm the one that put you in this condition. So I have no reason whatsoever to abandon you. Just that I've been busy.
That's okay. I was wondering what I did wrong to deserve this.
No, Jeku, no. You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong at all. Please, just forgive. I've been very, very busy lately. But I'll make amends now. I'll always be there for you, please.
It's all good.
I brought some ingredients. Let me go to the kitchen and prepare something for us to eat.
Nice one.
Okay.
So it's true. I heard he's now made. To God be the glory.
Hallelujah.
But do you know that Okechukwu has not visited me since he returned?
Oh, really? Oh, that is because he has been so busy. You know, Okechukwu made money against his enemy's wish. The people that tied his destiny, they now pretend as if they are happy with him. But we know them one after the other.
Mama, please. You know, due to my condition, I can't be coming out often. Please help me tell my friend, Okechukwu, that I would really appreciate it if he could map out time to come see me.
Nah, I don't think that would be possible. Not at all. You know, wealth comes with so much restriction, especially visiting the poor. So many of them, like you, come here and go home with so much gift. So him coming to see you, I don't think that would be possible. Nah. Makanka ho nwere ike ibu ya aka.
Let's tell him my friend.
Ojosa bokulo gbamala no go bonwo onye na-ejoko mata no go bonwo when you fighting for the people who don't care. When it's time to rescue you, they will turn their back.
You're welcome, my daughter. Thank you, Mama. You're welcome.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ogama, how are you, darling?
I'm fine.
Oh, good to know. Mama, I know both of you know Obiageli very well. But for formality's sake, I'm going to do a reintroduction. Her name is Obiageli, and she's the one my heart has chosen to be my future wife. Mama, Obioma, this is my future wife. Mama, I've come to you so that we can discuss and agree on a date to fix the traditional wedding. This is my future wife.
Okay, I will start with apologizing to her. I'm very sorry for all those times I said no to your relationship with my son. I'm very sorry, my daughter. Eh?
Mama, it's okay. It's all right. I understand.
Of course.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you.
Mama, my wife is not like that too. She's a very wonderful lady if you know her too well. You know, she has forgiven you a long time ago. She has even forgiven Obioma too.
Of course,
you understand? One big family. I told you. I said my mom is the #1 woman in this world. Super mama. Did I not tell you? I said by the time we get married, you have the best mother-in-law. Yes. Super mother-in-law is what you have.
Okay,
Mama is
if
good.
both of you have already fixed a date, just go ahead and tell me.
Really? Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you.
That is why you are the #1 mother in the world. Super mama. Don't worry, Mama. More goodies to come to this family. My baby sis. My stubborn baby sis. All this your stubbornness, I hope you stop being stubborn. Look, there's no money in this family, so there won't be any room for stubbornness. Huh? This is what we're going to do. I will give you 500,000 naira to buy off your stubbornness so that you stop being stubborn. Huh? Have you heard, Bibioma?
Thank you.
If you don't want, let me know now. Let me know if you don't want to. Let me know. That is my sister. My beautiful sister. See, Mama.
Bibioma.
Money has come into this family. Happiness has come, Mama. No problem. There is money to spend.
Yes,
okay? I just want everybody to be happy. Mama, look at the time. Uncle is not here yet. I don't like this. Look at the time now. I greet you all. Thanks for your understanding and patience. Thank you all for coming. Sorry, we'll soon kick off with the occasion. I'm just expecting one of my uncle from my paternal side. As soon as he arrives, please, we kick off with the ceremony, please. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you. Don't let that guy come in here or push him somewhere there.
Stop! Where are you going to? Get out from here!
Nana Jeku.
Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. I thought we are friends. Why are you telling him to throw me out? Jeku? I thought you were blind. You can see me?
Yes, I can see you. Because I'm not totally blind.
Yes. The second eye isn't badly affected. You can still see with it. I can see this smile.
God is real.
Yes.
God is real. Thank you.
I'm happy for you too, anyways. But I want you to do me one favor.
Okay, which is?
Jeku, you know I can't change you from being who you are. But I can only advise you as an old-time friend. I was deeply hurt by the two people I hold dearly to my heart. And I came to realize that the people we sacrifice so much for are not even worth it. They don't deserve it at all. So, I'm going to try this in your case and see if your friends truly deserve your sacrifices and If they would continue to fight for you, even when they know you can't help it.
So, what do you want me to do?
Okay, it's very simple. I will give you a medical report stating that you are totally blind. Yes. Not even your uncle would know about it. It will be a secret between the both of us. I want to use this to know if your fiancé and your best friend truly love and deserve you. Jeku, can you do it?
I pretended to be blind to see your true color. You were sleeping with my woman, making caricature of me, at the same time plotting my death.
Hey. Okay. Guess what?
What?
I bought juice for you.
Thank you.
Touch it. Just touch it.
I like.
I know you love it. Okay, let me give you some. Okay. Okay, take.
My love, that reminds me. I have gala in my room. Right? Please help me bring it. You know, gala and juice goes well together.
Okay, let me get it. But you can be drinking it. Oh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Take. What happened to the drink?
I drank it already.
You drank it?
Yes.
Okay.
He said I should be drinking while we are
Yes, I said so. Okay, let me give you another one.
No, I'm fine for now. Maybe some other time.
Okay.
I purposely ate that poisoned rice because I already called Dr. Jane to come with anti-poison. Okay, Chukwu, you are evil and you will never know peace.
Hello. Jeku.
Jeku. Jeku. Thanks for all you did.
Wonder shall never end.
And God bless you. Jeku, see. Jeku, it's. Thank you very much for all you did. Jeku, it's the devil. Jeku,
I said it.
Greet the devil for me.
You see? I said it. Jeku, I said it.
Mama, I told
Jeku,
you.
okay, man, look at it.
I told you.
Best friend, though. Best friend.
Just wonder. What did I do?
It is not.
You deceived me. You deceived me.
Mr. Okechukwu, you are under arrest for the murder of Mrs. Felicia. Robbery.
What's the matter, brother?
Unlawful possession of firearms and other criminal activities.
The gun does not belong to me. I can take it to the owner of the gun.
Hey!
This place has been surrounded. You have the right to remain silent.
Or
anything you say or do may be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, please.
Now move it!
Officer, the gun does not belong.
Officers, come and take this man out of here. Move!
Mama.
Go!
Move it! Your best friend! Your best friend! Look at what you did to him! Are you not the
Mama, I told you! My son has made money. Have you seen it? He deceived me. Mama, what do we do? Stop saying he deceived me. You are eating the money. And as for you, Mama, as for you, see, if my brother does not come out here, evil woman, because of money.
Have you seen that Superman? If you go on your Jeku is a street fighter. Jeku they fight his friends, every fight. Anywhere them they fight, call Jeku. If you come, he go scatter everybody here. Unyapana waka kanado.
God is real. God, thank you for everything. God is real. God is real. God is real.
Come on. He's a goal. 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 Hey. Thank you, Father. Have you seen a Superman? If you go on your body and you jog, Jeku is a street fighter. He's a street fighter. Jeku they fight his friends, they fight every fight. Anywhere them they fight, they call Jeku. If he come, he go scatter everybody in the air. Unyapana waka kanado. Martin the man will I want. Jeku is a Superman. Jeku is a lion. Never look for his trouble to avoid the fight. Jeku defeat the fighter. Have you seen a Superman? If you go on your body and you jog, Jeku is a street fighter. He's a street fighter. Jeku they fight his friends, they fight every fight. Anywhere them they fight, they call Jeku. If he come, he go scatter everybody there.